Chapter 12, linear programming. Furniture dealer, suppose we are taking example I am taking from book only. So in order to explain certain terms, we are taking example and I'll explain with this example only what these terms mean. Okay. So a furniture dealer deals in only two items, tables and chairs. Okay. He had rupees 50,000 to invest. Okay. And has a storage space of 60 pieces. Okay. A table costs rupees 2,500 and a chair costs rupees 500. He estimates that for the sale of one table, he can make profit. Profit on table is rupees 250. And for sale of one chair, he can make profit of 75 rupees. Okay. He wants to know how many tables and chairs he should buy from the available money so as to maximize his profit, assuming that he can sell all the items which he buys. Okay. So this is a problem actually. This type of problem in which we have to either maximize something or minimize something. This type of problems are called optimization problems. Optimization problem means either we have to maximize the profit or we have to minimize the cost. Whenever there is something to maximize or minimize, this type of problems are called optimization problems. Okay. Now, the question says that there is a furniture dealer. He deals with only two items, tables and chairs, and he has this much rupees to invest, 50,000 rupees to invest. He has a storage space of 60 pieces. Okay. Cost of a table is rupees 2,500 and a chair is rupees 500 and profit he can make on a table is rupees 250 and profit on chair is rupees 75. Okay. Now when we deal with this type of problems, first of all we make equations. So here let us take x and y. Let x be number of tables, okay, and y be number of chairs. Okay. Now x and y will be either greater than or equal to 0. It cannot be less than 0. So x will be greater than 0, y will be greater than 0. These are called constraints. They are non-negative constraints. These are called constraints and they are called non-negative constraints. Now, dealer, he has maximum money to invest is rupees 50,000. Okay, that means cost of a table into number of tables plus cost of a chair into number of chairs can be either less than or equal to 50,000. Because maximum money which he can spend is 50,000. Is this equation clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is called investment constraint. Now, when we divide this entire inequality by 500, we can get a simplified equation. That is 5x plus y is less than or equal to 100. Okay. Now, he has a maximum storage of 60 pieces. Means x plus y can be less than or equal to 60. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, as he is doing a business, obviously his objective or main purpose is to make profit. Okay, which he has to maximize. Okay. So when we make a objective function, that is profit, if I suppose define z as profit, okay, then z will be equal to profit on a table 250. Suppose x number of tables he buy plus 75. Suppose y number of tables he buy. So this is called objective function. okay, which he has to maximize. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So how many equations? These are 1, 2. This was simplified form of this. This 4 are constraints. These are called constraints, and this is called objective function. Okay. Now, so objective function, the general form of objective function is given by, let objective function z equals to ax plus b, by, where a and b are constants and x and y are called decision variables. Okay, and a and b are constants. Okay. Then constraints we have already discussed. Constraints are actually restriction on the variables. Okay, in linear equalities or equations, restriction on the variables are called constraints. That is, x should be greater than or equal to 0, y should be greater than or equal to 0. These are called non-negative constraints because x and y cannot be negative. Number of table cannot be negative. Number of chair cannot be negative. Okay. And the other one are also constraints. उसके बाद जो दोनों equation देखी थी ये भी constraints में ही आते हैं. Okay. This one are also constraints. Then optimization problem. Constraints we have just now seen. Okay. So when we need to maximize or minimize a linear function subject to certain constraints, we say it optimization problem. Optimization problem means we have to minimize or maximize something, okay, which has certain constraints. Okay. Now these are the terms. I guess you are familiar. You understood. Have you got an idea? Ki in terms like if I say this is a optimization problem, yeah, constraints. If I refer now, I think you have an idea.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
clear? Okay. Now, graphical method of solving linear programming problems, LPP. Okay. So x is greater than or equal to 0. First equation was this. First inequality, x, y greater than or equal to 0. And next was phi x plus y should be less than or equal to 100 and x plus y less than or equal to 60. Okay. This were the 4 equations we have. Okay. Now 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Okay. So x greater than 0 means this line, all this side, complete this side. Y greater than 0 means complete this side. Phi x plus y less than or equal to 100. For that, we'll first of all plot this line. Phi x plus y equals to 100. When x is 0, y is 100. X is 0, y is 100 means this point. When y is 0, x is 20. When y is 0, x is 20. So we'll join these two lines. These 2 points. Okay. You should draw accurate graph. Even like it's not possible for me to make the exact graph, but you can draw this on graph paper. Okay. Now here phi x plus y less than or equal to 100 means इस लाइन के या तो इस साइड की बात हो रही है या फिर उस साइड की बात हो रही है. ओके. phi x plus y less than 100. इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? आफ्टर प्लॉटिंग दिस लाइन we'll just choose any one point जो या तो इस साइड लाई करता है या फिर इस साइड लाई करता है. Suppose I am choosing 0 0. When 0 0 I am substituting here 0 0. That means 0 is less than 100. This equation is true. 0 0 के लिए equation true हो रही है. That means the shaded portion will be this portion. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
I think this was in 11th class also.
From 10th, I think.
नहीं 10th में तो इक्वालिटी तक था, इक्वेशन तक था. इनइक्वालिटी वाज इन 11th.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next part, x plus y less than 60. When we have to plot this, we'll choose the value of x and y equals to 60 plot करेंगे पहले. X is 0, y is 60, y is 0, x is 60. Okay. So 60 this comma 0 and 0 comma 60, and we'll plot this line. Okay. Now again same question, whether we are talking about this region or this region. So this, for this what we'll do, कोई भी एक पॉइंट चूज कर लेंगे जो इस लाइन के या तो इस साइड है या फिर उस साइड है, और वो पॉइंट रखने के बाद ये इनइक्वालिटी ट्रू है, दैट मींस दैट पॉइंट इज पार्ट ऑफ दिस शेडेड रीजन. सो व्हेन x is 0, y is 0, both are 0, this is less than 60, it is true. That means the region which they are talking about is this region. Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now
Yes, ma'am.
okay, this 4 equations in common shows which region, ये हमको देखना है. ठीक है, तो x greater than 0 is this region, y greater than 0 is actually this side, basically this side of it. X greater than 0 this side. This is line, this inequality shows this side, and this inequality shows this side. That means the common region which all of them show is this region actually, which is shown in green.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll mark this points. Suppose this is O, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, so now the next term, the common region determined by all the constraints including non-negative constraints is called feasible region. Okay, so the region which I have marked in green is actually feasible region, the common region which is determined by all the constraints. Okay, this is feasible region. Now feasible solution. Feasible solutions are actually points within or on the boundary of feasible region. Okay, this feasible region is this one, green one. So all the points in green part and on the boundary of this green part are actually feasible solutions. Every point within and on the boundary of feasible region are feasible solutions. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is infeasible solution. Any point outside the feasible region is infeasible solution. Okay. Then optimal feasible solution. Optimal feasible solution is actually any point in the feasible region that gives maximum or minimum value of the objective function is optimal feasible solution. मतलब अब जो feasible solution कौन से थे, ये region which is enclosed by this polygon A, B, C and O, ये तो है feasible solution. और optimal feasible solution क्या है, वो point जो maximum value दे. Okay, the point which gives, there can be actually infinite feasible solutions, but optimal feasible solution will be the point which will give us the maximum value. Here maximum because we are talking about profit. Our equation for profit was 250x plus 75y. Okay, now to get optimal solution, what we'll do, we'll find the value of z at all the corner points of the polygon. Okay, so vertex of feasible region, okay, and value of z. Okay, so O, C, B and A. This we were talking about. This were the points. Okay. Now O is actually origin. तो O को तो find करने की जरूरत नहीं है. O we know that is origin. If we want to find this point C, suppose. Okay, how can we find C? C is actually intersection of this line. This is phi x. It was sorry, x plus y equals to 60 and y equals x equals to 0. ये वाले पॉइंट दोनों इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये वाला पॉइंट C मिल जाएगा. Okay, so C can be obtained by x plus y equals to 60 and x equals to 0. Okay, so this point C will be 0, 60. The point O, C, B and this one was A. Okay. A can be obtained. Yes, what will be point A? Sahil, बताओ. A क्या होगा? Sorry, A is not that part. A तो यहाँ पे है ना. हाँ, A क्या होगा? This one is A. Yes, Wasim, what will be A?
Ma'am, 20,0.
Okay. What will be B?
Ma'am, that will have 1 minute.
How can we find B?
Ma'am, 2 equations, x plus y 60 and 5x plus y 100.
Yes, this you have to solve. Good. So find this B. Both of you find the value of B by solving these two equations. How will, yes, Sahil, are you present there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I am asking how will find B. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
These two equations we have to solve. Okay. So
Yes,
just
ma'am.
we can subtract 4x equals to 40, x equals to 10, and x equals to 10 when we will substitute here, y will be 50. Okay. So this is 10, 50. So first thing is obtaining.
B.
Yes, B1 is maximum value. Okay. So this is maximum. Okay. So maximum profit will be when he buys 10 tables and 50 chairs, and the number of profit will be this. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The amount of profit will be this. Okay. Now actually there are two cases arise here. Okay. यहाँ पे one case is when we plot this all constraints, we get either the region which is bounded everywhere, एक closed region मिल जाए. Okay. या फिर it becomes unbounded. Okay. So now actually this here unbounded region is omitted. So linear programming was already easy and it became more easy when unbounded problems are omitted.
Okay.
Maximize z equals to 3x plus
Ma'am,
4.
none of the word problems are coming.
What?
None of the word problems are coming.
Yes, it is written. That's what I assumed actually, because it is written that mathematical formulation of LP is omitted. तो मतलब mathematical formation तो क्या है कि word problem is given and you have to frame the equation. Now equations will be given.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's what I assumed, but just to confirm I asked. Okay. Subject to constraints. Okay, so x is greater than equal to 0, y is greater than 0, and x plus y is less than or equal to 4. Okay, so try this question. So first of all, you can write actually that what are the constraints and what are this objective function. What is the objective function? Okay, so
Do we have to draw the graph every time?
yes.
No, like we can also do it without it, no?
Right, you can do it, but you have to draw, because the question is this only: solve the following LPP problem, LPP graphically. So we have to do it with graph only. Okay. So first of all, first thing is okay, you don't have to make all the four quadrants. You can make the positive xy only, first quadrant only. Okay, because x greater than 0, y greater than 0. Then next one is x plus y less than equal to 4. Okay, so x greater than 0, y greater than 0, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, x plus y less than equal to 4. So so x plus y equal to 4 will be a line this way, because when x is 0, y is 4, and when y is 0, x is 4, so x plus y, this will be this. Okay, now which region they are talking about? For that, what you have to do? You have to substitute 0, 0 here. 0, 0 is less than 4. That means which region will be there? You have to think and mark the shaded region. Okay, so try to do this problem, then I'll discuss.
0, 4, 4, 0, and 0, 0.
Okay, A, 0, B. So it is 0, 4, 4, 0, and 0, 0. So these are corner points. You can actually refer, you can write that these are given non-negative constraints. Negative constraints. And objective function is z equals to 3x plus 4y. And this is the other constraints. This is constraints only, and objective function is z equals to 3x plus 4y. Okay. Now corner points are 0, 0, 0, 4, and 4, 0. Now you will make a table where you will write all the work, or table I'll make on next page, next slide. So table will have two columns: vertex or corner points and objective function. And objective function z equals to 3x plus 4y. 0, 0, that is O. A 0, 4, and B is 4, 0. So here it will be. Okay. You have to also take care that whether you have to maximize the function or minimize the function. We have to maximize here. So this is the maximum value.
Answer.
Okay. And maximum value will be at 0.04. Okay. So this will be the answer. So the answer is maximum z equals to 16 at 0, 4. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let us do problem number 2. Minimize. Okay. So first of all, non-negative constraints you can write. Negative constraints. X is greater than equal to 0. Y is greater than equal to 0. Then other constraints. X plus 2y should be less than equal to 8, and 3x plus 2y less than equal to 12, and objective function z equals to minus 3x plus 4y. We have to minimize z. Z. Okay. Then we will plot this. Okay. So x and y. Okay. X is greater than equal to 0, y is greater than equal to 0. Plot these two equations. Yes, are you also getting this region? O, A, B, C?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we'll make that table and check. So corner points and Z. We have to minimize Z here. Okay, 3x plus 4y. Corner points O is 0, 0. Yes, what is A? Sahil? Yes, Sahil.
4 0.
4, 0. 0, 4 होगा ना ये?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I wrote C as A and A as C.
Okay, okay. What is B? Wasim?
Ma'am, B. 1 minute.
Okay. What is C, Sahil?
2, 3.
2, 3 is B. Okay. And what is C?
4, 0.
4, 0. Okay. So now we'll find the value of Z. This will be 0. This will be 16. Minus 6 plus 12, that is equal to 6. And this is equal to minus 1. Okay. So we have to find minimize. So this is the minimum value. Okay. So function has minimum value at 4, 0 and Z equals to minus 12. This will be the, okay, Z equals to minus 12 at 4, 0. Okay. Okay, this meeting is going to end. So homework is